Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face mask using just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. This is a great alternative if you don't have access to store-bought masks, and it's a fun project to do with your family or roommates. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. The first thing you'll need to do is gather your ingredients. For this face mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Step 2. Mix the ingredients together. Next, mix the honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg together in a small bowl until you have a smooth paste. You may need to add a little bit of water to get the right consistency. Step 3. Apply the mask to your face. Once you have your mask mixed, apply it to your face using clean fingers or a brush. Be sure to avoid your eyes and mouth. Step 4. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to let the mask sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. This will give the ingredients time to work their magic and help your skin feel soft and refreshed. Step 5. Rinse off the mask. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse the mask off with warm water and a washcloth. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just made your very own DIY face mask. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.